Howdy, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'll be doing part 2 to the history of gymnastics. Make sure to check out part 1 before this. I would also like to mention that all the information from this video comes from this book. Please enjoy. Flashback to where we left off, or the 1950s. This was the beginning of the present-day gymnastics. The Soviet Union did not enter the Olympics until 1952. But when they did, they dominated. They won 69 medals in total. Also for gymnastics, it started a long streak of success as they would win every team final from 1952 to 1976. But even though gymnastics was very popular in ancient Greece, it was not really in the modern day, especially in America. That was until Agla Korba. She's what made gymnastics very popular. In America, there was 15,000 gyms before Agla Korba. 10 years later, there'd be 150,000. Unlike her teammates, she showed personality. She was also very daring. She was the first one to do a backflip on the beam, which was very daring for her time. Then there was also Nadia Comaneci. Bella Caroli saw her at a very young age doing cartwheels and saw that she was a natural. She was the first one to get a perfect 10. Another star we all know is Mary Lou Retton. At the age of 12, she was the best in her state. However, she moved to Texas to train with Bella Caroli. She became the first American gymnast to win the all-around. Then, of course, another big part of history was Magnificent Seven, which, with such amazing gymnasts on the team, this is the history of gymnastics. I hope you enjoyed, and make sure to subscribe for more fascinating factoids. Bye.